Hello friends, have a good day. So today I'll go for one more drawing, that is a double rooted lap joint. Now it is of zigzag riveting. So plate thickness is 9 mm. So I'll start solid edge. Sheet setup, you go for A4 tall. So let us start. So I'll draw one thin line here. And we'll draw one center line. Now I'll first draw the plates here. Offset distance is 9 mm. Now I have drawn plates here. Now as you need to draw the zigzag, you need to calculate the transverse pitch. Transverse pitch, it is how much? 0.6 times of P here, okay, for zigzag, and 0.8 times of P for chain riveting. Okay. I'll go for offset. Now 0.6 into 3 into 18. Okay. 54 is the pitch. Okay, you need to multiply 0.6 times. Select single. Offset this center line to the left. Next, you need to offset for margin distance, that is what, 27 mm. Select the center line, place it on left. Select right side center line, place it on right side. Now trim unwanted portion here. You can just end up the plate either the straight lines or with the help of a curve here. Now I'll go for offset. Distance is 9. I'll select it on left side, right side, left side, right side. Now trim unwanted portion here. Next we'll go for drawing rivet heads here. Offset distance as 0.1 D. Select this line, place it on downside. Okay. Now go for a circle by center point method. Now this is about 1.6 into 18. Now trim unwanted portion. I go for mirror here. Okay, either you can draw one more or you can go for mirror. Select this one. Now this is a mirroring line. Okay. Next I'll go for move with copy. I will select these two arcs and I'll go for reference point is end point of this vertical line. I'll place here. Okay. Now let us go for drawing this caulking position. It is of 80-degree inclination. Right. Now use fill command. Now this completes the sectional front view. Okay. Now I'll go for drawing a top view. I'll just draw lines here, okay, to get the position. Now I'll draw one center line here, okay. I'll go for offset. Now distance is I'll go for p by 2, that is a 54 divided by 2, it is a 27. I'll select this line and I'll place here. Okay. Now to identify the top plate as well as the bottom plate, so you must go for some change in widths. Okay, you go for less width for top plate and more width for bottom plate. Let us finish up with this extension. Okay. Now the top plate is clearly visible. Okay. Top plate is clearly visible. Now I will go for trim. Just trim here. I will trim here. Go for extend. Now these two edges are to be hidden because they are exactly bottom. This wedge is okay. Now we'll place the rivets in top view. Now this is what 18 mm. This is 1.6 into 18. Okay. Now this is to be hidden. Okay, got more circles there. Right. Now we need to place rivets in another positions. I'll go for move with copy option. Select these two circles. Okay, go for reference point here. It is a center point. Then you go for placing here. Just change the thickness for visible portions as well as for hidden lines. Okay. So similarly you change the line thicknesses. Otherwise at initial stage only we just go for the line thickness. So wherever possible you can just change the line thickness afterwards if so needed. So write a text here. This is what a sectional front view. This is what a top view. And place leader lines here. Now the section should be placed outside the diagram, not inside the diagram. Now if you look at the section plane, now section plane is passed for this right side rivet. whatever shown here, it is also visible. Okay. Now as it is not visible, now we just make an hidden here. Now draw line here. Okay. Go for fill option. Okay. Now select these two lines, show them as a header. Okay. Right. Now this completes the double riveted lap joint of zigzag riveting. Okay. Show major dimensions.